Hello, honors geometry students. Mr. Pirtle here. I just wanted to do a little quick video to introduce you a little bit to myself, the course, and tell you how things are going to be running. Everything's going to be run through Canvas. So if you go to our Canvas site, you'll see this. Well, obviously, you found this video, but there's a link for our Zoom meetings. There's a link for our first week of assignments. I don't want to get too heavily into it, but just wanted to welcome everybody to Lord Often Honors Geometry, and looking forward to a very fun and interesting year. Just a little bit about me. I've been here for about 25 years, and then I have 2 years before that in another school district in Georgia. I'm married, live over on the West Shore near Mechanicsburg. I have a couple of kids. My daughter is a doctor of physical therapy, and my son is elementary school, just finishing at Millersville, going to be an elementary school teacher. Interested in hiking and all kinds of sports and silly dad jokes. So looking forward to a fun year. It's interesting. We're going to need to wear our masks. We're going to be distancing, and I call it physical distance, not social distance, because we really need to be social, but physically distanced. So anyway, looking forward to a fun semester. If you have any issues or questions, you feel free to send me an email, and I'll see everybody on Monday, either in class or via Zoom. So by the way, one thing we are going to do is I'm going to have it's just going to be like a normal class. It's just that I'm going to have some of you here in the room and some of you at home. And then the next day, we'll switch places. Those of you that were at home will be here, and the others will be at home. But it's just going to be like a normal class. Notes, homework, then quizzes and tests. Hopefully everybody got the summer work packet. We'll spend a day or so going over it, and then we'll have a test on that. I believe it's Wednesday and Thursday of that first week. So looking forward to seeing everybody Monday and Tuesday. Okay, take care.